Hello, I'm going to show how to test the extension in different versions of VS Code. So the first thing we're going to do is go to code.visualstudio.com/updates. This shows us the different versions of VS Code. So I've got to select one. I'm going to hit this button here, the silicon, because that's the platform that I'm running. So this is going to download a fresh Visual Studio Code. I'll just show, so I have VS Code open right now with the latest. And what I'm going to do is I'll close this, it's open on a workspace, so I'll close the whole app. And what's going to happen once we run the older version of VS Code is that it's going to reopen our existing workspace, hopefully with all the extensions and settings and everything. So that makes it nice and easy to test. So I'm just going to save the with the name so I don't forget which version I've got. And I'm going to run this, and it will hopefully open our workspace. Yeah, so that looks like that's opened. And I'll just check the version. Yep, looks good. Great. Thanks.